When you use Live Trace to trace an image, you have the option to expand the resulted image or to convert it to a live paint object. If you choose to convert it to live paint, then you'll be able to use the Live Paint selection tool to choose the individual colors that make up the traced object. This gives you a lot of control over working with large areas of color from the traced object. And using the Live Paint Bucket tool, you'll be able to select and change the colors of lots of areas at once. Using this technique, you can very quickly and easily make a lot of changes to an existing object, such as the color of this rose that was in the traced image. Using Live Paint with Live Trace gives you a lot of control over the end result of your traced image.